Right, welcome back to my channel. You may have noticed we're not in the workshop, we are at the beautiful Badbury Rings. So what we are doing today is we're going to I want to prove to you, right, that this little device can be taken anywhere. So the reason I've come to Badbury Rings today is basically, as you can see from the drone footage, there's no power here. So what I've done is I've bought the AlgoLaser PIXI and the Anchor power station because I want to show you that you can take this thing anywhere and use it anywhere. Car boots, that sort of thing. It's actually ideal. So what I've done is I've bought a few of these. I've been making these little key rings for my daughter so she can make some money for the scout group. So we're going to be engraving a few of these. Right, let's get to it, shall we? Right, so we're all plugged in now. We're plugged into the Anchor. These aren't expensive. I think they're I don't know, about 500 quid, something like that. But it works a treat plugged into this. I've also got, shall I turn it on? My light ring plugged into it as well. The whole idea of this is there's no power at Badbury Rings at all. You cannot trail an extension lead or anything like that. So I want to just prove to you that this little machine, you can take it anywhere. As long as you've got a power station and you're at a car boot sale or you're at a craft fair, you don't need power. And we're going to prove it now. So what we're going to do is just pop a blank in there. I'll bring the camera over. Okay, so I have actually got this preloaded already. Where are we? Projects. SD card. We're going to go with that there. Engrave. Now what I need to do is make it a little bit smaller and then drag it down to the point where I think it's going to be, and then hit that and then see it's in the right place, which it is not. That's fine, we can move it. Let's move it down a little bit and make it a little bit smaller. Right, so what all this is, I don't think you see it on camera, it's maybe some glare, but I've put my image in and I've making it so that it fits within the pendant, not pendant, what am I talking about? Fits in that circle. So I've shrunk it down, and then this little button here, if I press that, it will outline where it is with the laser powered just very slightly. I'll show you that in a second. Right, so I've lined it up. I'm going to press my little button, which is there, the button. And what that is showing me now is that I've lined it up in just the right spot. Look, that's exactly where I want it. So now all I need to do is hit start. Right, so next thing to do, shut the lid and press start. Okay, and we should just about now. There we go. Here we go. And it is working. The good thing about doing it outside as well is you've got no problem with ventilation. Look at that. So there it is. Perfect, isn't it? Should we do another one? Let's do another one. Oh, they're here, look. All I'm doing literally is I've made this little guide here that I put my blank in. Now it's all set up there. I just hit again. If you can see that. Right, there it is, look. Here we go. Perfect. While that is running, I'm going to actually take you off the tripod and just show you that. There we go. There's another one done. Right, so we're in there. I'll shut that. Oh crap! Shut that down. So you've got. We've just done it. So we're going to just press again, and then that will literally start again. There we go. Ignore that. Press start. There we go. Doing it. No cables at all, just all my junk, all my camera equipment and the box and stuff. I was going to do a little bit of talk about the Anchor, but the company have not got back in touch with me. They've not returned my email, so we won't bother. But yeah, there you go. What I'm going to do actually is I'm going to run another one now. I'm going to have a little look at what the power station is saying to me. Right, that's in the place there. Again. There we go. Okay, right, while that's running, so it's still actually 100%. It's not taking any power really at all. Still 100%. I mean, I can see that it's drawing power out of it, but there you go. This is even, it's in eco mode as well. There's another one done. There we are. There's nothing more I can actually show you, is there really? You can see that we're not connected to any power other than the portable power station. I did reach out to Anchor to see if they wanted to get involved in this video, but they didn't respond. So there you go. If you want one of these AlgoLaser PIXI, hit the link in the description. There is an affiliate link there, so you might get a little bit of a discount. But if you're a crafter, it's a no-brainer. It's absolute no-brainer. So I did make a load of these, as you can see. I've done about 30, something like that. I've used 2% of my power station. That is it. It takes no power whatsoever. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.